When I was a teenager, living in Corpus Christi, Texas, I was woken up at 3 in the morning to 2 police officers standing above my bed. They told me that I would be going to a boarding school where I'd be spending the next roughly 2 years.
You know, the FBI conducted a raid on my house. Obviously, it was very traumatic to have that happen, and I noticed that my stress levels were extremely high. Shortly thereafter, I thought it'd be smart to retain an attorney.
I realized that I needed to reach out to an attorney when a lot of the mental and emotional outcomes of spending time at the boarding school were starting to really take control of my life.
One of the biggest challenges I think that exist today are the barriers to access to the courts. That's what we're here for. We're here to protect the Seventh Amendment. We're here to encourage people to exercise their right to a trial by jury.
The typical case for us is a high-stakes case. It's an all-or-nothing case.
To be a successful trial attorney, you first have to care. If you don't care, you will never be a successful trial attorney. The next thing you need as a successful trial attorney is you have to have guts.
99% of all lawsuits settle, and the reason that many cases settle, nearly all of them settle, is that lawyers are afraid to try cases. We don't believe that. We're not afraid of the courtroom.
The desire to be in that arena is something that some people just will never have.
We're confident in what we do. For us, the hardest cases are the first ones you try.
You tell your side of the story because you are given that opportunity before the judge makes a decision. And if you ever get embroiled in a government investigation, run, don't walk, to Griffin Purnell.
The outcome that I received has definitely improved my life for the better. Just the fact that we were able to put closure on this and to receive a sense of justice was amazing. That was really all I ever wanted. I could look back on that experience and feel like I got something out of it that justified what I went through.
Simon and I started the firm with nothing. We had no money. We had no office. I think we had 1 case when we started. Today, we have 3 offices across 2 states, 1,000 clients. We are on such a growth trajectory, it's kind of shocking, actually. If you choose Griffin Purnell, you can relax knowing that your case will be handled to the fullest extent of our abilities and be confident that your case will be handled well.
When you have the most important thing happen to you and you need representation that's going to require a trial lawyer, you need to speak to Griffin Purnell because we will try that case.